I joined TCG Digital back in 2016, and it's been a while. So I'm a chartered accountant. I started my career in the finance space, worked with the Big Fours for a while before I joined the Chatterjee Group. I must say, in so many years here, the experience has been somewhat enriching, very enriching, exciting, and definitely transformative for myself. Today I head Energy Materials Division as the Chief Operating Officer, and I must say it's been quite a journey so far. In today's times, I think AI itself brings in a lot of buzz around it, which adds to a common man's excitement. But in what I've really seen happen is I've seen AI in TCG Digital transform real complex business problems, industry problems into simple solutions, and that's when I think the excitement really builds around it. How I relate to it is, when I see an individual making a decision, how do we make a decision? We rely on our past experiences. We think about how those instances have impacted us as an individual. We make a decision also thinking about how that future would be, based on the decision I'm taking today, and what will be the future outcome. I think AI does exactly that. So AI that way becomes very relatable. It's like complex decision making on the back of deep data foundations. Well, it really takes a lot of talented team members to be able to deliver impactful and measurable outcomes. Having said that, I think we have a really talented group in the organization, which is focused on innovation and high impact quality delivery. What it really takes is the domain and the focus to understand the problem at length, to understand where the customer's pain area is, to sit with the stakeholders, to bisect the problem at hand, and to understand where AI can really bring in value for the customer. Because every project that you undertake, every little problem that you solve, it has to be value driven, and that's where the focus lies. The value could be in the form of reducing cost, it could be in the form of increasing efficiencies, margins, or it could just be enhancement of customer experience. So I think that is where the real focus is, and I think our teams are kind of tuned to bringing that forth. Recent project that we delivered at HPCL, we created a digital suite for LC Max Rough Unit, which was focused on AI-led intelligence for stable startup of the plant. The other capabilities include catalyst inventory and performance management. It also improves crude blending and optimization. So those are the other capabilities that comes together with that particular solution. So that's been quite a success. To young professionals, I think I would want to say is there is no shortcut to hard work. Of course, you need a lot of luck in life, but then hard work definitely pays off. What also I think really contributes to success, or maybe even growth, is an open mindset. The right attitude and an open mindset really goes a long way. And I'm speaking from personal experiences. I think we may not know everything at work when we start off. We may not even know everything today. But I think the mindset and the attitude to be able to learn anything today is what really adds to an individual. So that's a key ingredient, I would say. When you're young, usually I think it's a tricky question, because sometimes you don't know what really is expected and what really needs to be done. But over the years, what I've realized is that as youngsters, the sooner we realize that we have to make every task our own, I think that's when the growth really happens. It builds confidence for sure, because they go hand in hand. I think the important part is to be able to when we say take ownership, it really does mean that we take responsibility for it, we see through it end to end, and not be afraid of making mistakes, because I think mistakes will happen, but then everybody learns from it, and that's where the confidence comes in. So yes, it's a learning curve, and the journey continues.